I'm Princess, and today I am going to substantiate or answer the pharmacological facts about pharmacokinetics. Active transport is called up-the-hill transport.
Let's first define what is active transport. Active transport is the method of transporting material that requires energy. It moves molecules from an area of lower concentration to higher concentration. Using adenosine triphosphate or ATP needed for cellular energy from respiration, molecules can move from one side of a cell wall to another. Now, is active transport an up-the-hill transport? The answer is yes. Why? It is because sometimes the body needs to move molecules against their gradient. This is known as moving uphill and requires energy from the cell. It involves molecules moving against a gradient or other form of resistance, such as from an area of lower to higher charge.